say, yes, Bawumia was setting the committee.
Committee, right?
Was set a standing committee and subcommittees. Now, endam we say, ne Ravasono, or more appointment.
The Rava,
or more no more contested presidential primaries. And Kennedy Agyapong, Duchum, Bread, Champong, and Akufo Addo, or more appointment. I say, hey, where appointments? They say quite an hour. And yes, sir. More money, say Kennedy, say, or about creative jobs. Money so to my yard, and one farm more. More we are say about your co-chair, one about her say creative jobs. Eh? What do you about creative jobs? Near S room, so they say, what would you do about trouble and Jeno Brado? Or one consult to Kennedy Agyapong? Or one consult to know?
There is a strategy.
One said, what would you about
there be a strategy? We are saying, party as you say, and yet ministerial appointment. The president, I can so was some crunch on from Poabo money. I mean, in every administration, ABC, when the ministers were buying we more, yeah, from one country, say, more appointment. Less than a buyer, no. Now we do. If you do crack or play on when ya, it's your other way, but we know a strategy.
A strategy.
A strategy. Who reject here? They are ha, say, can some people answer.
William, standing committees in a no, a move party, no. One for mammo. Subcommittee, I don't know now. Moya Modibaba, ever for more manifesto. I know about your more poor a. And the party Nangazadia. Ye more fine, Emma Wunya. Committees in year 30. Standing committee, first one, a finance committee.
How many?
30. Baku 30. 30 committees.
30.
30.
Ah, okay.
1, 2, 3, 30.
Committee Baku
30.
Young Dibe Winnie or mobile one strategizing 2028.
Ah, there you 13 and not 30.
Maybe what am
committee subcommittee.
Finance committee 1.
Okay.
Electoral affairs 2. Disciplinary committee.
There be more finance committee in the
finance committee chairman. Fred Owari. What in Fred Owari?
Ah, yeah, former first vice chairman.
Oh, so the Oye to Bawumia. What in the Bawumia chief of staff?
Nebani gift your worry.
Debbie. Anyaneba. The chief of staff. Why vice president, the chief of staff? This year, the chief of staff, finance committee chair. I don't know. What them boko. One co-chair Bianca. Electoral affairs. Obiamwa.
Co-chair.
One year co-chair, straight.
I don't want to the members in here saying, why not?
The members in here 11, or me 11.
And I pay you.
Okay, the secretary, Dr. Charles Jamina, current treasurer. Akwesi Frema Opare.
Oh, enter the civil war.
Former chief of staff.
Former chief of staff. Nanajua Dokua.
Bobo.
William Opombio.
Bobo.
Otchere Addo. Abna Osei Asare. Chairman of Public Accounts Committee.
Former Deputy Finance Minister.
Ambassador Edward Boateng.
Okay.
Joseph Amponsa Bosompem.
Okay.
Adelaide. Asare. Anna Alasa Yakubu Tali, former MD Agric Bank.
Okay.
Former Finance Committee.
Okay.
Electoral affairs chaired by Obiamwa. Bawumia body.
Obi Amwa, former Deputy Minister of Youth and Sports.
Yes.
What you may Adamfo.
That's right.
The way we talk about.
Yes. Members in 16.
The way you may Sika semba ye na. Otoka mano.
Ono.
Why you me?
Obo we obi.
Me say me pa ba ya bi obema na suma dwe na ma no.
Even ofri.
Me pe bi ama. Awu obi oh sorry. Pacho. Osawa ose obi oh. What they call on you free. Never when they quote judgment.
Yaba a disciplinary committee led by Amwakwata.
I don't bumbo chasse.
Yeah, Obiamwa, dear no. Members Evans Nimako, Honorary Secretary, Peter McManu, Harry Nanabuache, Samuel Atachia, Matthew Pogu Prembe, running mate.
When lawyer Atachia. Okay.
David, NAPO de Abeshana Menjazi. Say
election, so vice president.
No, vice president or no.
Say Yamundi. You're born an assassin.
David, Momu your margins of Messisano.
Oh, I saw don't go. I can't to Shina Beko.
No man drop Punabo.
Who that say? Strategy in either some befa or bar. They will look for a gun. Fabra live show. Bra. Ada mo batim so na musuriya. And then so you be see. Semensi.
Bawumia. Ese Mahamadu Bawumia.
So Anase. Honorable Patrick Buama.
Patrick Buama.
Any page no. Eye oba
wo ye kama ba to mo fa no
o de twen o de me ma possible list no la NAPO oye standby ho number 2 so be for oba na so be finkan ya eye na atoshi
wa mo fa ma na da
say on be for oba
wa mo fa ma no
oh so be for oba na oba na
atoshi o ko di ken na chi
me say so on be for oba na so oba no be figure takra ye na atoshi
oh na atoshi dear
so on be for oba that's oba no fi central regional Marigold former central regional minister
on the problem ni hu
e mema no one honorable Patrick Buama
emfa
oh the mema names no honorable Patrick Buama for the Asante can factor though oye MP honorable Afenyo King
Razi
almost say oye Kennedy Agyapong nipa
Brasi
enti one famma no
ana Patrick Buama say hwan nipa
Patrick Buama so they say one support you bia but no no
almost say oye Akufo
Akufo nipa ye na ye Akufo
omo famma no
Dabi ade de Agyapong almost say de be ya o benya Akufo factor no support enti o mu ya Patrick Buama what dey no to nchen ya honorable say chairman Sabonsu honestly ompe
my number
o say chairman
so jai
oh say already proposing Patrick Buama
no boa
oh Dabi ompe
oh boa what you say Patrick Buama mo fa ma no how do you strategy no
any pan any that so pan so I say aye de ho Joe Wise when Joe Wise voter regions on me fa bema you could the MP one time no
amawu
exam so member na nkasa wo consider wo ni na no
amawu
me na me ka kire wo
fa ma no
da bi nyama wo de ba ma na so wo fa ma no caucuses no propose wo mo nkrofo obi nkrofo ba e member no two ejina wo so pa Patrick Buama ni NAPO
che captain obi a wo ye link to Kufobia is linked to Alan Kyeremanteng obi bia wo ye link to Alan Kyeremanteng in Bawumia's era me say
yeah
Gyamfi water cry mobi pure water yeah mobi
chief
I just said I will be
Patrick Buama dino tooth senior for Patrick dino tooth meaning baby I'm fever senior for Patrick dino a tooth me mema no between Patrick and NAPO and between Atoshi and Marigold
Mami ga say me jo Sammy put na TV so no say Say Bawumia win in 2024. Nkombe ye mistake pa nkophobia nkombe mo appointment no sanka be ye mistake pa. Na progress you know am omohu omutu. No, cut it. Take it from me. NPP. Akufo Addo tiase. Edi azana do oga. Edi azana oga no. NPP belongs to Akufo Addo. Kufo Lusu guard mano.
There's no two ways about it. Say no. One more part in Nijina Akufo Addo so. But let me sit here and tell you, without the Kufo factor, NPP can never come to power.
But the woman second term of Manabos. Second term. First term near no deputy minister sanitation. Second term no Manabos.
Nanado might be in charge of the NPP. But let me sit here and tell you, without the Kufo factor.
That's a Kufo do more Kufo supported that.
Hey, where?
Campaign.
That was another Kufo when this Kabwana Bawumia dead. Brother, we know
when we funa yakresi ne chia somebody we year said
Campaign attention.
Which way? When the one was a work way ye. Then the father we no. Then the bush penya beja. Agwa we other way. No ye ni pa bore. What's me that?
Policy committee. Kojo Kyeremanteng na chair.
Yeah, better. Or better.
Organizational committee. Anthony Abaifa. Policy no. Secretary. Dr. Kwesi Nyame Befi. Dr. Chibo Darko. Antoinette. Why a member? Darko Institute for no. Mr. NPP more. So one going through. And you were otchere means a bunsu.
Our policy. On a natural frontier.
Kwaku Annan. Dr. Mohammed Adam.
Kweku Annan and Kasomo born in same boy. Until measure.
And Dr. Gideon Boakye.
Gideon Boakye the one policy Kenya.
Dr. Kabiru Tia Mahama. What if Shedino? Kabiru Tia Mahama. Wali MP. Dr. Jimama Nunu. Dr. Mutaka Alolo. Anna Evron Huge. Some of in a no more apart from Kojo Kyeremanteng Antoinette. Anna Kwaku Annan. Namfansa Mina Damano in California no more Bawumia office as vice president.
I know me now. Sir, I'm gonna tell the policy. I say somebody was say me president they won't be considered an ama Agyarko me. Or bebe.
Jimama, okay, na Jimama nso
Jimmy ni ho.
Yeah. Nti ne office for
organization.
Organizational committee. Honorable Madam Fóol, Michocho Mucho, Anthony Abaifa, Cabo,
national organizer.
Oh, Watrao.
Put your hands together for this.
What's NPP national organizer?
The next gabby of NPP, Watrao.
The next
gabby of NPP.
Opposition and power.
Power.
Baby, and as a gabby, no a gabby of opposition.
It's on.
That's
on that, bro.
The committee near Kabi, Yaja to you got the message in Yajuma.
Oh, there is an area way. Cabo, anyway.
Cabo committee. Nanabo Achina is a get drop.
Nanabi.
Divine Agohum.
Agohum.
Greater Agrarian Chairman.
Aye.
Hey.
Ko.
Honorable. You live in Umfriso.
And I'm watching
Owusu. Trovo MP.
And I'm watching through.
Honorable
Woman. Oh yeah, serious strategist. But so only Gloria Delia. Na uhunu tra obayo wonsa. Ama Oh yes, serious strategist.
OBT there, sitting MP because none who from Crawford.
There been yes and none the one from Crawford. How she won the elections, her preparations 2 years before the NPP primaries, and her winning that seat.
But that's it. There's an NPP.
There's a second seat to be winning that seat, But Mama no Gloria. Oh, no wonder she's a dickness. Yanko. What do you call?
Anna Archibald Kovna. Perpetua.
Archibald, you're former
greater grad organizer.
Okay.
Anna Perpetua Lumogi, no deputy youth organizer. Anna Richard Gyamfi.
After committees now.
After research committee. Kingsley Nyakon.
Kingsley. Okay.
Ambrogo Ajuso by election. Was a lunch. And there's Owusu Kumi and the secretary. Antoinette Asababium.
Correct group.
We call the next group a communication. Communication committee. Chairman Nana Akomia. Nana Akomia.
Stability in the
Onwa. Anna Richard Ahiagba a secretary.
Communicate.
Obosi Kofi, Kojo Ponkruma, Gideon Boakye, Georgianda, Fatih Abubakar.
May I mention one after the other? One a chairman.
Chairman, Nana
Kumia, a fine gentleman.
Send my wife, message some more on your.
What's it?
I have been
a toda. Utufun bakwa. It means Sabaye 300,000 votes.
Nana Bwachi to remove the.
Nana Kumia Kasana unya time analyze Kasana Wakano. Now so we buy more kusia. Who say NPP Owusu 5 constituencies.
It's on.
Yeah. Me na ye juma che wa ba mi show so a chepa. Nana Kumia.
It's on.
We share the current statement now one make it say stability. Nana Kumia kumeka.
Going. Oh, you see, when it comes to communication, Nana Kumia, I mean that refined.
And I make that's what I'm telling you. But the sister Odi Fumba Kotoha.
Or a strategist.
Oyiba Kotoha.
Nana Kumia
300,000 votes are
Nana Kumia, that they put 2 years together, young patriot. Rantier by 5. No, put 2 years together. I say boot for boot. Or no pa or bell quack yeah, boot for boot today. Oh, my friend, you know, back at 1 year strategies.
No, I know. I said, Miss Asare catcher, Mr. Ado, you back to one. Most NPP votes to 305 constituencies, no Owusu. I
feel na set up committees in Adruso.
Finance. Why na can Kojo Kyeremanteng?
Kojo Kyeremanteng. That's a man for
the bill. Oh, I said, Kojo train or communications or no kakra.
That was or your member.
But there be a second community because and Trona Akufo Addo man di here no.
Former information minister.
There be the former information minister now Odokoko. O can say he left the by Ghana kwan nyina no that ho. O can say oh sino hydro loans ne ba. Ghana kwan nyina school adan nyina ye besisi. Sa antro no dada ho. Anarafi. Any people who are any can say any coca.
No, yeah,
but say we say internal committee. Who is in trouble within the party? Who is in trouble?
There be no say party no one trouble. Okay, committee.
Now say
Connect committee.
Subcommittees no.
Subcommittee.
Finance and economy. Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam,
former finance minister, no
problem. One co-chair.
One account.
And Dr. Steve Opata.
Opata is fantastic.
Co-chair. Dr. Frank Bano, spokesperson.
Bano, excellent.
Isa Fuseni, spokesperson.
Excellent.
Dr. Hamida Nuhu, secretary.
Where they correct.
You call constitutional.
Where they correct,
constitutional and legal affairs. Kwame Agyapong NP.
Lawyer, copyright. Former copyright.
Asante
Bediatuo South MP. Excellent.
Or your co-chair.
Excellent.
Maxwell Opoku Adjumai aye co-chair
menim no
me akasa me nshada edini ebia me no bat me nim de we wo Gloria Ofori Buadu secretary
so a lawyer I'm a lawyer
okay and shahadi but ya wo dina asuna badapa
we dey
lawyer spokesperson na naje bafo
okay we dey committee na no chairman no custom committee board chairman
yanko foreign affairs foreign policy and diaspora Samuel Abujinapo co-chair.
Okay.
By
incoming foreign affairs minister. No problem.
And Ambassador Dr. Emmanuel Enos, also co-chair. Secretary.
Then we would connect committee.
Food and agriculture. Feed of agriculture. The Mami Mo Munadin. Isaac Ya Opoku MP co-chair. Anna George Odru, also co-chair. Then Michael Kwasi Buahi Edu, former Cocoa Board. CEO Neba, or a spokesperson. Then Jennifer Ofori Queen, a spokesperson. Then Dr. Segri Bombagi, says Adia, or a secretary. A Greek. Don't make me a Rigobogo. All of them combine, don't make me a Rigobogo. Young education, Dr. Yawase Duchum, co-chair. Dr. Prince Hamid Ama, co-chair. Young Health, Dr. Nana Ayu Afri MP, co-chair. Dr. Asare, co-chair. Insiasare.
No bad syndrome.
Akufo Addo buy better Ghana for.
No bad syndrome.
Oh no.
Ebium.
Trade, industry, and SMEs. Shembrofwe Dovato. Co-chair, Michael Ochrebefi, MP.
Former deputy minister.
Anna Koshi, Yankee.
Or say, Kroboni Eastern regional minister.
Or no sooner say, Mahamadu Bawumia.
The man say, Obi on your Kofodia ni besi factory Kofodia Bepele. Kroboni Bedi regional minister not to Kofodia non Tiasia. Senagati ni so besi factory Kofodia Bepele.
Ono ni asem no. Na fi akọ energy mi madam fo George Kwame Abuaje MP co-chair.
George Abuaje.
Yes.
Okay.
Ana madam fo ba ko. Ono dey my friend say minua because me papa ya me papa. Kojo Nsafo Apoko.
Oh, Nsafo fine.
Energy no what ase. No only say
Nsafo correct.
Correct
committee any ampon.
Well, minua party. After communication technology digital economy.
Hey.
Matthew Nyindam.
Honorable Matthew Nyindam.
Panda MP.
Co-chair.
One Dr. Augustine Blay, co-chair.
Okay, yeah, connect.
So Augustine Blay.
Aye, another
Bawumia PA.
Another committee.
Tourism, culture and creative art. Fred Che Asamoah MP, co-chair. Yabema MP. Then Barbara Otinjesi, co-chair.
Connect committee.
Environmental and natural resources. Aha. Anna. Galamsey no beba.
What the banana now run the committee?
Kwaku Annan Sapo. Engineer Emmanuel Gomashi, co-chair for no.
Connect committee.
Housing and urban development. Martin Ajay Mensa Kosa. Yes, solid guy.
Teachman South.
Solid guy.
Jake, former chief of staff.
And co-chair Samuel Attachia.
No,
no. The Sikana, or Shema, or more sign, yeah. You know,
attach no agenda or Nima. Huh? Person dreaming to go with the winning.
That be concerning Sagrami.
Oh, I know. Sagri, yes, Sagri, 7 America. Now, this is one of my Miss Evocha. Miss Attachia. Or person 6 skyscrapers. Ewo Nima. When
hey, Attachia. Well, one person I will just about me to manage that.
Why they? Obi o person say Nima fefe say.
Little Mudi.
We are sure.
Make us what you are winning the America. Little money.
Also for attach as now.
Attach everybody.
We'll run the office of Betman for 30 minutes. For Honum. We'll just about the catcher. We'll be able to move your victim. But
no agenda, sir. Of skyscrapers for Ghana. Be dreaming.
Water and sanitation. Kofi Ahinkra Mafo.
Yeah.
Chairman.
Yeah.
Co-chair by Clifford Brahma, the former. The Rose. Rose. Kennedy Agyapong. One also was introduced.
Kennedy.
One Kwabena Agyapong.
Oh, Kwabena Agyapong is a civil engineer.
Yeah. Engineer Kwabena Agyapong. They are transport. Suleimana Alhassa
Tamburi. Correct.
And Akosi Poku.
Correct.
Our Mohammed the exposed person.
Correct.
They call security, intelligence, and defense. Brian Achampong, MP. One nature, co-chair by What you co-chair no? In team for you. In team for you, co-chair on security, intelligence.
Okay, so MP.
I know a ranking or defense and intelligence or parliament in team. I think because of that. After local government, Francis Asenso Boakye connected. After gender social protection, added in team one MP, co-chair by Susanna.
Connect committee.
I heard their mama no. Youth development, Eko Asafua. Wanona co-chair by Sammy. Anna sports Salam Ama Ampianima Damata were MP. Co-chair by Kojo Kyeremanteng. Okay. Kojo Kyeremanteng. Sorry. Akufo Addo bus sponsor one day. Good. One on it in a Eslan a Hunumobo and yes, I got Tisemia. Employment and jobs. Employment and jobs. Mavis in Cancer Boardu MP. If it does such is it south or so? East. Co-chair by Kennedy Agyapong.
I don't know. Employment
and jobs. And I suppose first year Kofi Tonto and then Ellen Amadanku.
Who they call?
Maminya comment kakra. Amadanku say utie ne utterances on Kennedy Agyapong. Kofi Tonto utie ne utterances on Kennedy Agyapong. Wait, messy way.
And a committee name.
We should be this round. Then religious and chieftaincy committee. Reverend Team for your worker. Now, or chair 2 committees.
I'm co-chair.
I saw for people big NPP. And the woman has of Bobiamango.
You be a pedoyer MPR. The minister.
Well, SK Boafo, a co-chair.
Honorable SK Boafo.
If you are Koto, secretary. Then religious and chieftaincy, a honey Christian. Yaba Muslim no ye Ben Abdallah Banda. Anna Hadia Mohammed Rukaya co-chair. Eti a honumuna druno. The committees near 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Let's all the 30 minutes.
You were Nipa over 300.
Or the 30 ministers they be moving.
Nipa over 300 and now for me our committee.
Let's say yes.
Cabinet ministers in Bomredo.
Give you no kwa na omudo so omudu ba bi nyanko pose he. Nkrofo no do so dodo. Gina ho. Mo ba ba dum nsuo. Omo omudi omo no bebo mu be gina ha. Omo omudi omo nsa ebe no nso be gina ha sei. Say Gideon. So me dem akama se moye.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.